You've been asked to give a speech on a topic of your choice. How do you identify a speech topic? You can look in books. You can research potential topics online. You can even collaborate to brainstorm with some friends. Ultimately, you will need to make sure that you have an expertise and passion to talk about the topic. Let's start with expertise. It is important to pick a topic you have an expertise in. If you have held a job for several months or years, you have an expertise in it. If you have a hobby that you have spent months or even years on, then you have some expertise in it. Picking a topic you have an expertise on will help you manage your message in an effective way. You will likely have built knowledge and skills to give you insights that others may not have. Your expertise will help you receive audience credibility. It will help you manage your message and keep the audience engaged. Next is passion. It is also important to pick a topic you have a passion for. Pick a topic you care about. If you pick a topic you don't really care about, the audience will sense that and they will get bored, disengaged, and even frustrated. So, the next time you need to identify and select a speech topic, blend your expertise and passion together to educate your audience and keep them engaged.